Friends, welcome to the student world. Our today's topic is the classification of amino acids. First of all, we have to understand what are amino acids. Amino acids are the basic unit of proteins which are linked together by peptide linkage. Now, what is the peptide linkage or peptide bond? One amino acid combined with another amino acid to form a protein molecule, in which carboxyl group of one amino acid combined with the NH2 group of another amino acid to form a peptide linkage with the elimination of a water molecule. More than 300 amino acids are found in nature, but only 20 amino acids are standard and present in protein because they are coded by genes. Other amino acids are modified amino acids and are called non-standard amino acids. An amino acid have a central carbon atom called alpha carbon. What is alpha carbon? The carbon adjacent to the functional group is called alpha carbon. An amino acid have a central alpha carbon atom, a carboxyl group, an amino group, a hydrogen atom, and a distinctive R group. On the basis of this distinctive R group, amino acids are of different types. 20 different amino acids are commonly used in the construction of proteins. The backbone is same for all amino acids, while the R group differ from one amino acid to the another. Now, what are essential and non-essential amino acids? Amino acids that cannot be synthesized in our body are called as essential amino acids, where the amino acids that can be synthesized in the cells are called non-essential. Non-essential terms doesn't mean that they are not essential in the body, but these are these are synthesized in the body. That's why there is no need to take in the diet. Examples of essential amino acids: histidine, leucine, isoleucine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, threonine, tryptophan, and valine. Non-essential amino acids are arginine, alanine, asparagine, aspartic acid, glutamic acid, glutamine, cysteine, glycine, proline, serine, and tyrosine. Now, the classification of amino acids on the basis of polarity. Now, what is polarity? Tendency to interact with water molecule is called polarity. On the basis of polarity of the side chain, amino acids are divided into three categories: amino acid with non-polar side chain, and the amino acid with charged polar chains, and amino acids with uncharged polar side chains. Amino acids with non-polar side chains are further of two types: aliphatic amino acids and aromatic amino acids. First, non-polar amino acids. Aliphatic amino acids are the amino acids in which R group is non-polar and hydrophobic. For example, glycine, alanine, valine, leucine, isoleucine, methionine, and proline. What are aromatic amino acids? Amino acids that contains a benzene ring in place of R group. They are hydrophobic in nature. These are some aliphatic amino acids: glycine, alanine, valine, leucine. In glycine, the R group is H. In alanine, this is CH3 group. In valine, this is isopropyl group. So, these are some aliphatic amino acids. These are some other aliphatic amino acids: isoleucine, proline, methionine. Proline is the only amino acids which contain the secondary amino group. These are aromatic amino acids that contain a benzene ring as R group. This is the phenylalanine, tyrosine, and tryptophan. Now, what are polar uncharged amino acids? The R group of these amino acids are more soluble in water or more hydrophilic than those of non-polar amino acids. क्यों है ऐसा? Because they contain functional group that form hydrogen bond with water. This class of amino acids include serine, threonine, cysteine, asparagine, and glutamine. These are the examples of polar uncharged amino acids: serine, threonine, cysteine. This is the distinctive R group in serine, this is in threonine, this is in cysteine. These are another examples of such type of amino acids: asparagine, glutamine. This is R group in asparagine, this is in glutamine. Next are the polar charged amino acids. These are further of two types: acidic amino acids or basic amino acids. What are acidic amino acids? Amino acids in which R group is acidic or negatively charged are called acidic amino acids. For example, glutamic acid and aspartic acid. What are basic amino acids? Amino acids in which R group is basic or positively charged. For example, lysine, arginine and histidine. These are the examples of some acidic amino acids: aspartic acid and glutamic acid. This is the R group in aspartic acid and this is in the glutamic acid. These are the examples of basic amino acids: arginine, lysine, histidine. This is the R group in arginine, which is shown in black color. This is in lysine and this is in histidine. These are some important conclusion drawn from this discussion. First, proline is the only amino acid which contain a secondary amino group. Other amino acid contain the primary amino group. Methionine and cysteine have thioether and thiol group respectively. Phenylalanine, tyrosine and tryptophan absorb UV at 280 nanometer because they contain the, delocalized pi electrons due to benzene ring. Lysine, arginine and histidine are positively charged amino acids at neutral pH, while aspartic acid and glutamic acid are negatively charged at physiological pH. This is all about the classification of amino acids. Thank you.